My name is Grace, and I'm going to tell about what the cars are. This is a race car, and this blue had a name called HWPD.
And this car was the race in the fall,
and this is called the Marco Hot Wheels. And it's made out of metal. And he had the red windows. And he also makes for Hot Wheels because you can buy any shops as you want. This is R. It's Volkswagen car, and it's a Polo, and it's a white, and he has a black window. Okay.
You explain. What is this car?
This car is
Number 4.
number 4, and this car is
White color.
white color, and this car is
Jeep car.
Jeep car. And what color is this? Is white.
Okay, next.
What is this? Oh, what is this color?
Yellow.
Yeah, yellow. And what is this color?
It's another yellow.
It's not yellow, it's orange.
All right. Go ahead.
This color is
Police car.
not. It's not a police. And this color is white. And this color is blue. And this color is yellow. And this color is tall car.
It's super long.
And this color is green. And this color is white blue. And this color is bus car. And this color is
Blue.
blue. And this color is red. And this color is blue. And this color is pink. And this color is
Pale yellow.
pale yellow.
Middle also.
And this color is what
White.
is this? What is this color?
Yellow.
Yellow. And what is this color?
Dark green.
What is this?
It's a fire truck.
What is this?
It's red race car.
What is this?
It's a Hot Wheels fire truck. Thank you for watching our video. Bye. Remember, always stay happy and ride.